welcome on the Lawn Fawn Fans hop. It's Toth here and I wish you happy World Card Making Day. Today I will show you how I created this cute box card using Lawn Fawn products. In this hop there is a giveaway too, but I will talk about it later in the video. Now let's start the project. I started the card making with stamping. I stamped the images with leather hybrid ink pad off camera to save you a little time, because I know there are many stops in this video hop with amazing creators. As always, you can find the used supplies in the description box below. Just expand it and you will see the links. I will color the critters with my Spectrum Noir Illustrator markers. As always, I am starting with the darkest color, then continue with the lighter, then finishing with the lightest. When I notice that I need to add more contrast to the image, I just repeat the process. As always, you will be able to see the cap of the marker which I am currently using. As for the color combo, I was inspired by the talented Cassie from Creatively Cass. She made a fabulous card with pumpkins a few days ago and it was really inspirational for me. I think to get inspired from others when you need your crafty mojo back is a super nice thing, isn't it? As I mentioned earlier, there is a giveaway on this hub. It's a $25 gift certificate to Cat Scrappiness online store. Be sure to comment on the videos to get the chance to win. On the 10th of October, we will announce the randomly selected winner from the comments. Just tell me about your latest card in your comment. What you have created, how it looks like, or what stamp set have you used. Feel free to tell anything about your latest card. By the way, today is a very special day. With my crafty friend Laura Volpes, we are going live together on our Instagrams. This evening, on the 3rd of October at 7 p.m. Central European Time. I listed the other time zones on the screen. If you have time, feel free to join us and don't forget to take a little snack, tea or coffee, and let's have fun together. You will also find a link to my Instagram profile in the description box below. Once the coloring was done, I added highlights with white pen. Next, I run the colored images through my mini die cutting machine, which is a brand new cuteness from Happy Doodle and its color is magical. I continued with die cutting. First, I ran two pieces from the shadow box card die from Lawn Fawn Cardstock called Mermaid, and the second one I ran together with the scalloped frame from the shadow box card Ocean Add-on. Next, I die cut the small rectangles to the sides of the box card from Perfectly Played Chill 6x6 inch paper pad. I still continued the die cutting. This time I ran the grass die from the shadow box card Park add-on and the birch trees dies through my die cut machine with beige cardstock. And last but not the least, I created this cute pink banner from the shadow box card Ocean add-on. When the die cutting was done, I made an ink blending with fossilized amber distress oxide ink on the grass and the birch tree. Then I repeated the process on this small background with spun sugar and white honey. For the ink blending, I have used the mini daubers by scrapbook.com. It's really helpful because I can work with them more precisely on smaller die cuts. When it was done, I added the box card together. I put on the flaps a stronger double-sided adhesive, then I added the grass the same way. In the end, I removed the parchment paper from the other flaps and closed the box card and pushed it well with the bone folder. The next step was the decorating, and under the decorating I mean I put the cute die cuts, critters, colored images and the sentiment to their right place. And this is my finished shadow box card, yay! I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. If you have any questions, let me know in a comment. Please give me a thumbs up, it helps a lot. And if you are not subscribed already, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Have an amazing day. Bye!